Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arshad and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone unavailable if you forgot your 4-digit, 6-digit and alphanumeric passcode. So guys, if you are facing this problem, keep watching the video until then and follow all steps. So guys, let's start this video without waste of time. Before start the video, you should subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative tech videos. So guys, you can see appears on screen my iPhone is locked, my iPhone is unavailable. Try again in a minute. Simply tap on the emergency section and enter the secret pin code. Star 8620608 star 483072 star 106 star 78602 star 888 star 52 star and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, this secret pin code is automatically added on your iPhone. Tap on the dialer. You can see pin code is automatically added. Now enter the second secret pin code star 1055 star 786 star 20411730908 star 562753 star 52 star and press the dialer. Press the dialer. This pin code is automatically added on your iPhone backend. You can see pin code is automatically added. Now go back. Again, tap on the emergency section and enter the secret pin code to unlock your iPhone. Star 90999 star 00 star 8600 hash and press the dialer. When you press the dialer, this iPhone is automatically unlocked without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. Tap on the dialer. You can see appears on screen my iPhone is completely unlocked without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone unavailable, iPhone disable security lockout and activation lock without computer, without losing any data, without any third-party software on your iPhone 4, iPhone 5, iPhone 6 and iPhone 7, 8 and also X series. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.